In this problem you have 46 minus 46 times 46 minus 46. According to the PEMDAS, we must do this multiplication first. Then we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. Okay, let's start our solution. So we first start with this multiplication. 46 times 46 equals 2116. Now we can write our problem as 46 minus 2116 minus 46. And we must work from left to right. 46 minus 2116 equals minus 2070 minus 46. And our problem became minus 2070 minus 46, which equals minus 2116. And this is the final answer to this problem.